Are you ready to discover the best smoothie that I've ever tasted in my entire life? And it only requires 3 simple ingredients. Let's get started. The first ingredient is fresh carrot. Take 1 fresh carrot, cut it into small pieces. Do not peel the outer layer of the carrot. This is very important. Leave it like this. Okay, we will use the whole carrot. Now take 1 fresh mango, cut it into small pieces. Do not peel the outer layer of the mango. This is very important. This will give you a lot of fiber. Leave it like this. And then take around 1 cup of black grapes. It could be more or less depending upon your sweetness preference. So I'll use 1 cup. Now wash the grapes thoroughly. Don't forget to wash it properly. Now add some drinking water. It shouldn't be too much. Around 2 glasses of water should be fine. You can add more if you want, but I would recommend around 2 glasses. Now grind all these 3 ingredients together for around 5 minutes. Make sure that it is properly ground. You can see I'm using a blender. You can use whatever you prefer, and congratulations, your drink is ready. Now whenever you feel tired, drink at least 2 cups of this smoothie. How often should you drink? At least 2 cups per day for 3 weeks. And after 3 weeks, you will experience the extraordinary benefits of this smoothie. You will have the best energy ever, and your immune system will be completely boosted. You will never get sick. Now let's see how amazing these ingredients are. First, we have the fresh carrot. It is loaded with many vitamins and minerals. The most important nutrient in carrots is beta-carotene, which is actually a form of vitamin A. 1 cup of sliced carrots contains approximately 86% of the daily value DV for vitamin A. Carrots are also a good source of vitamin C, K, B vitamins, and various antioxidants. Carrots are known to help reduce inflammation, improve blood sugar control, support eye health, and may even help fight certain types of cancer. Now let's see what's in mango. Mango is truly a superfood. Now the third ingredient is black grapes. They are a true miracle. Black grapes are particularly high in antioxidants, which are substances that protect your cells from damage. 1 cup of black grapes contains about 17% of the DV for vitamin K, 8% for vitamin C, and 4% for both manganese and niacin. They are also a good source of potassium, providing about 5% of the DV per cup. Black grapes are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, supporting heart health, aiding digestion, and potentially reducing the risk of certain chronic conditions. So when you combine these 3 ingredients together, you create a powerful smoothie that will fuel your body with essential nutrients and promote overall well-being. The carrot provides a rich source of vitamin A, supporting healthy vision and skin. The mango adds its abundance of niacin or vitamin B3, promoting healthy skin and boosting energy levels. And finally, the black grapes contribute their antioxidants and vitamin C, supporting immune function and protecting against cellular damage. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.